Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're inside a Build a Boat for Treasure. And today, we're going to go over some update news that Chillfro has actually leaked into the game. So, first of all, they've changed the soccer quest, but they've changed all of the quests. Look at them. I'll show a video on how to do the Fit Nice quest like super fast with barely any items. But either way, let's get into the video. So, Fusion. Chillfro actually has said an announcement, I think on Twitter. So in the soccer quest, they've updated it. So now he said, people will not be able to get soccer ball till a new code comes out. So like, you won't get to obtain the soccer ball, but it's fun. Why? So either way, he said something like this: we have updated Build a Boat. Now you cannot get the soccer ball from the soccer quest, but now people can but not now, but soon he's gonna add a new code. And last time we've had a code, the Christmas update. That was like 5 months ago. So we're gonna get a code in Build a Boat soon, and I cannot wait for it to come out. So post it in comments below if you're excited about this. So let's get on to the next update Chillfro added to Build a Boat for Treasure. And it was yesterday, Sorry I didn't post a video on that, but either way, I got stuck, whatever. What? Okay, that was weird. So, we got an anchor block. Then, place down our jet turbines and launch to the new stage. So this stage was actually a replacement. So it's, the tentacle stage, where like squid tentacles would go like, ah! Yeah. They've added a new stage, and actually my friend Orange Zag actually developed it too. So, Orange Zag also made that stage. But it's that brown one right there, and I am very excited to show it to you guys. So let's get to the stage. Oh boy. Alright, so we're in the new stage, and it looks very good. I'm not gonna regret that. They even put detail on the book. Puts detail on a book, a man. So we got some coins here, and we got the tentacles that do the Post in comments below UGH, like UGH, First person who does it will get a shout out. So this stage looks really cool. I like how the tentacles wrap around places, and there's jewelry. did I pronounce that right? I don't care about that, but this stage has a lot of the details, so thank you for developing it, whoever developing it. Alright, just look at this. I meant to say developing. Wait, develop. Whatever, I don't care. So, it does have the waves too. So, let's just hear the satisfying sound. Ooh, that launched me. Nice. No, I'm bald. I don't have an arm. No. Whatever. But that is really cool. Now we'll show you how to complete the Fin Ice quest. And sadly, you do not get a fan. I'm depressed. But hey, at least you get 1,000 gold and 100 chests not chest. Ice. So we started it, and now you wanna get a wood seat. So, oh yeah, everything turns into ice. So now you want to get cake. Wait, no, not cake. A butter block, which everybody should have. If not, complete the butter quest, because that one will also give you 1,000 gold, so it's good. Next, put a hinge into the middle, but make sure it goes like this on this side. So now you want to get candy. You don't have to have it, but it'll just make it go faster. So now you get up and you start flying. Look how fast this is. Like, don't tell Chilfro about this, or else he will catch you. But sometimes it fails, as you can see this one is. So all you want to do is make it to the end, obviously. So, oh crap. Sometimes it really fails. Oh crap. No! 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 Okay, sometimes it's really annoying. Like this one just messed up. So, oh no. So, yeah, I just got bad luck that time. So I'm mad. So let's try that again. Oh. No. That's no song. Like and subscribe. Yeah. If you haven't, like and subscribe for good luck. I guess. So let's get our candy. If fails, I'll get candy's jetpack. Sad. So we're just going to test it. Okay, I have good luck. No, I don't. So just spam space if you're on mobile. I don't know what to do. Oh, I have good luck. Alright, so if you enjoyed how to do that, please leave a like. I hope I have good luck next time. But either way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. But today, I will give you face reveal. Do you want it? Okay, I'll show you. So, yeah. Who knows, that could be me. It could be. I'm joking. It's not me. But if you think it's me, post in the comments. Because yeah, why not? But yeah, but seriously, if you think this is me, great. But I'm just saying, you will choose my face reveal, if it is real or not. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Wolfie the Man, and I'll see you all next video. Goodbye.